In the world of cryptocurrency, every transaction is recorded on a public blockchain and open ledger, but one that's hard to interpret. Enter the On-Chain Data Analyst, the digital detective who deciphers this complex data to reveal trends, spot risks, and tell the real story behind the numbers. These analysts turn raw blockchain data into actionable insights, helping investors distinguish real adoption from hype and guiding DeFi protocols to understand their users. For NFT projects, they track ownership and market sentiment to predict what's next. On-chain analysts are the bridge between machine data and human decisions, making sense of crypto's chaos. As the crypto industry grows, so does the demand for these experts. Companies need data-driven decisions, not just gut feelings. On-chain data offers transparency and truth, and analysts unlock its value. They spot vulnerabilities, identify opportunities, and validate project health before anyone else. In a digital economy, their work is essential, shaping the future of finance by turning blockchain noise into clarity. The on-chain analyst is now one of the most critical roles in crypto, translating data into progress. To crack the blockchain's code, analysts rely on a powerful toolkit starting with SQL. SQL lets them query blockchain data on platforms like Dune Analytics, answering questions like, how many wallets used this DeFi app last month? For deeper analysis, Python comes into play, enabling automation, advanced modeling, and custom visualizations. Dune Analytics is the go-to platform, letting anyone build public dashboards and share insights. Tools like Nansen and Glassnode add context by labeling wallets and tracking big players, while Flipside Crypto and Into the Block offer bounties and advanced metrics. A skilled analyst combines these tools using SQL for raw data, Python for analysis, and platforms like Dune for sharing to paint a complete picture of the on-chain world. Mastery of these tools is what sets top analysts apart in Web3. On-chain analysts are in demand across the crypto landscape. Analytics firms like Messari and Flipside Crypto rely on them to create research, dashboards, and data products. DeFi protocols and blockchain projects hire analysts to track user activity, monitor network health, and guide product strategy. Venture capital firms depend on analysts for due diligence, vetting projects, tracking growth, and informing investment decisions. DAOs offer freelance opportunities, letting analysts contribute to multiple projects and build a public portfolio. Whether in-house or freelance, analysts shape strategy and growth across the industry. Their insights drive decisions, making them indispensable to any data-driven crypto organization. The flexibility of the role means analysts can work for firms, protocols, or as independent contributors. A day in the life of an on-chain analyst starts with questions. Why did user activity dip, or which NFT buyers are most active? The analyst translates these questions into precise data queries, using tools like Dune and SQL to extract the answers. They clean and process the data, often joining multiple tables and filtering transactions to get meaningful results. Visualization is key. Charts and graphs turn numbers into stories that anyone can understand. Analysts build dashboards and reports, making complex findings accessible to non-technical teams. Communication is crucial. They explain not just what the data says, but why it matters and what to do next. Their recommendations can shape product launches, marketing campaigns, or security measures. By turning raw blockchain data into clear insights, analysts become trusted advisors. Their work drives smarter, faster decisions in the fast-moving world of crypto. The demand for on-chain analysts means high salaries across the board. Entry-level roles start around $70,000 to $100,000, often at major crypto firms. With experience and a strong portfolio, mid-level analysts can earn $100,000 to $150,000, taking on more responsibility and strategy. Senior analysts with deep expertise and leadership skills can make $150,000 to $200,000 or more, plus bonuses, stock, or tokens. Compensation varies by company size, location, and role, but remote work has opened top jobs to talent worldwide. Freelancers can command $100, $200 per hour for specialized projects. In crypto, skilled analysts are rewarded for their expertise and impact. On-chain analysts are the backbone of successful crypto projects. They help DeFi teams understand what users want, optimize products, and iterate quickly based on real data. Analysts monitor for security threats, track token distribution, and provide early warnings of potential risks. Their dashboards and reports attract investors, partners, and users by showcasing real growth and engagement. For marketing, they pinpoint which communities and campaigns drive results. By separating signal from noise, analysts help teams focus on what matters, building for the long term. In a volatile industry, their insights are the anchor that keeps projects on course. Starting a career as an on-chain analyst is more accessible than you think. No computer science degree required. Begin by learning SQL through free resources like Code Academy or Khan Academy. Dive into Dune Analytics, explore public dashboards and practice modifying queries to answer your own questions. Build a public portfolio, analyze a protocol, track key metrics, and share your dashboards on social media. Engage with the crypto community on X and Discord, explaining your findings and connecting with other analysts. Learn Python to unlock advanced analysis and higher-paying roles. Focus on libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib. Export data from Dune and use Python for deeper insights and custom visualizations. Participate in data bounties and challenges to sharpen your skills and get noticed. The on-chain analytics space is open and collaborative. Your public work and community engagement are your best resume. With curiosity and persistence, you can land your first role in this fast-growing field.